Frida. Today we're unboxing the LOKLiK iEngrave. Thanks to its all-in-one no-assembly design, you no longer have to front at a pile of parts. Even beginners can use it straight out of the box. Now let's open it up together. The first thing you will see after unboxing is an envelope. Inside, you will find a brand card, a quick start card, a warranty card, and a menu card with QR codes linking to the digital menu and software. Removing the top foam layer, you will see the following items: a pair of safety goggles, a laser module, a power adapter, a Wi-Fi module, a micro SD card and card reader, a safety lock key, a wood brush, 4 hex wrench, 3 wooden board, 10 cable ties, a double open-end wrench, and a USB cable. Alright, now that we've unpacked everything, it's time to set up the device. First, cut off the cable ties to fix the X-axis pin. These are transport safety measures to prevent damage during shipping. Next, install the Wi-Fi module to the device. Then, install the laser module on the mounting bracket. Insert connectors. Now we are ready to start creating. First, connect the adapter and the power cord. Then, insert the micro SD card. Press the power button to start the device. Place the wooden board. Adjust the laser focus length. Connect the laser to the LOKLiK app. Be sure to remember the Wi-Fi name and password of the laser. Once you've set your engraving parameters, bring safety goggles, you are ready to go. The LOKLiK iEngraver delivers up to 500 mm per second speed and 0.02 mm precision, fast, sharp, and detailed. Just a coffee break and your design is done. Look at those clean lines, so crisp. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's a perfect tool to level up your crafts. Ready to unleash your creativity?